Okay, guys, hi. I've got a picture of the thing. Here it is, guys. The one chip. This is the chip. And guys, Star is brutally honest. Like, she will make sure that I'm not going to cheat or anything like that. Mainly because she finds it funny that, making me have to do things. Honestly. Definitely don't let Doggo get that one. No, no, she's not touching this one with a 10-foot pole. Thankfully, it's only a singular chip. It is only a singular chip. I hope that it's only in one piece, that it's all in one piece. It's only one chip, he says. Exactly, it's just one chip. Well, how bad can it be? How bad can it be? It was vacuum sealed, so it couldn't break. Here, I'll take a picture of this one for you guys as well. Here's what's inside the box.
Oh, it's broken in pieces.
It's broken in 3 pieces, guys. And let me just take a picture of it. It is very strong smelling. Do you have gloves? I have a little plastic baggie. Because if I wanted to go get gloves, they were wanting to be like, oh yeah, we'll sell you these blue Nighthole gloves or whatever they're called.
20, 30 bucks.
I went like $20 for a whole bunch, and I was like, I don't think I need to spend that much for gloves I'm going to use once.
So I suggested like a plastic bag or something we could use that's free and still protect the skin.
Yep. Here it is. There's the chip. I'm going to top up this milk. Looks like a zombie chip, just a little bit. Guys, the moment when you'd rather eat one of the world's hottest chips over playing a game. Am I one of the few people that's like thinking that? Plastic bag is its alternative? Yeah, it's one of those cheap little plastic bags you get at the grocery to put like It's one of those cheap plastic bags you get at the grocery store in order to put like bananas into. I'm gonna have one sip of milk because I like milk and it'll make me happy. What? Making what weaker? Good.
You have to get the full force of it.
Trust me, I'm getting the full.
Water.
Anya.
Don't worry, guys. Keeping him honest.
Okay. Do you have ice cubes or ice cream to be very cold on your tongue afterwards? We have some ice cream sandwiches that Star is more than willing to go and grab me if I need them. She's like, shit.
One. I don't care how much suffering.
I don't care how much you're suffering. You get one ice cream sandwich out of the 2.
I want my ice cream sandwich, damn it.
I am going to see about going as long as I can without having to drink my milk. Okay? I want to see if I can just go through. I do have a fairly decent spice tolerance. Fairly decent heat tolerance. I don't think I have this good of heat tolerance. But I do have a decent amount.
Put those tiny crumbs on top of the chip and then eat it all. Like,
yeah, might as well.
And don't breathe in when you're taking the bite.
Yeah, right.
No breathing.
Just don't breathe. Don't breathe.
Don't breathe. You don't want to inhale.
At least your sinuses will be completely free afterwards. True!
The sinuses are already completely free.
No, they're not. They're the one thing on me that isn't free. Good job, Star. That's very nice of you to offer 2 ice cream sandwiches at this time. I heard free. I heard 2 free. So.
Nope. That's what I said.
Nope. So.
Not that nice.
I don't know. Wacko heard you say I get 2.
Well, Wacko needs to get your check.
Oh, let's not worry about that. I'm stalling. I'm trying to like. Oh, I should probably fasten. I should fasten the bag to my hand so it doesn't go flying off of me.
It's not gonna go. Oh my gosh.
What? What? No, I don't need to do that. I don't.
Got it.
Hi, Talaxis.
Dang it.
Star's tying the plastic bag to my hand now.
That's what you wanted, so I'm gonna.
What I wanted. Yep. You don't have to tie it like super tight.
It's not. Okay, there you go. It's not gonna go flying out.
Okay. Okay.
Now he has an airbag.
Have Star feed it to you. Ooh. Sounds romantic.
You know, I do love making him suffer.
It's true.
That's why I married him.
Same, I like making her suffer too. Okay, guys. Try to figure out the best way to hold this thing. Damn it. I dropped a crumb. Hey, Star, you sure you don't want one of these pieces?
Mm-hmm.
You can have one of the little ones.
You don't want me to have.
What's that?
You don't want me to have.
That's true, I really don't want you to have one.
Yeah.
Okay. How's the saying go?
Sorry, in and out.
Over the teeth, past the guns. Hello, stomach, here I come. Yeah, that too. Oh god, I am going to be stuck on the toilet after this, I think.
Nope. Nope, better get to it.
Okay.
Stop stalling.
Stalling's all I've got. Alright. Bon appetit. Stuck. Okay. It tastes like nothing. So far, so good. Oh dear. And here it goes. Oh god. Oh Jesus. Yep. I ate the two pieces that broke off. Nope, we are not capsaicin immune. Oh my god, it's tricky. Holy shit.
Yeah,
Hiccups. Oh. How's my face look? Oh. Honestly, not as bad as I was expecting, but like, oh my god. Oh. I'm crying. Oh, Jesus, fuck. Milk. Nope, milk.
Oh, okay. 1 minute and 40 seconds. He managed to hold off before drinking. I timed it. Be slower about it. Don't chug it all. And hold it in your mouth too. But make a mouth.
Okay.
Mouth when you hold it. It'll help hold it.
Another one, please. Another one, please. No. Wait.
I'm working.
Thank you.
Dying. There you go.
Oh, God. Oh, Jesus Christ.
Was it like a slow burn? What Striker's asking?
Like a slow burn? No. Well, kind of.
It's a long-lasting burn.
Holy fuck, is it long lasting? Oh, man. Every time I talk, it's like I'm breathing literal fire.
Stop talking.
It's literally my job.
They can hold on.
Oh, no.
Stop laughing.
Son of a bitch.
This is the part where the color changing slime would be funny.
Mm-hmm.
Just turn yourself red.
Yep.
And just put a little flame hat on. He's gonna need a few
Oh, God.
less talking so he doesn't die.
Holy fuck. That is... So... You think eating those is an alternative to heating your room? No. Describe.
Oh, his face is covered in tears, this poor guy. It's not red, surprisingly. It's a little bit red, actually.
It feels red.
It's a
Ugh.
little warm.
Ah, Jesus, Talaxis, why?
What do you say? Oh.
Ah, no.
And that's where the challenge comes. It lasts for a while.
No tears. It's all tears, Blythe. It's all tears. It's all tears.
Yeah, he's crying. He's struggling here.
Another one.
He's incapable of pouring his own milk. He's suffering so much.
Yep. Don't worry, I'm not wiping my eyes.
Why? That just doesn't make sense. Okay.
Is it Ice Cream Sammy time? It might be Ice Cream Sammy time.
Oh, wait.
At least one. So it was like a slow burn to get started. Burps. Wasn't as bad. And then it started. And now it's just like there, and it's just not going away. Hot chocolate time, no. Mm-mm. No, I want ice cream. I want an ice cream. Ugh. Oh, my face is soaked. Ah. Ah. Star's giggling at me, I know for sure. Oh my god. Now I'm getting full on milk. How the burps. Does it feel like fire's coming back up in your throat? Thankfully, no, not too bad. It's literally air. Any air coming out my mouth. So from talking, laughing, burping, anything, any air coming out of my face feels like pain. It's just pain. It's not exactly hot. It's not exactly cold. It is just pain. That's all it is. Try talking with your mouth shut. Hello, how's it going? Nope, can't do it. I'm not a ventriloquist. I'm bleeding. What were you giggling about when you got downstairs?
Your dad yelled up at you, idiot!
Did you tell him that I was doing that?
I told him you were crying right now from the chips, so he laughed and said, idiot!
Did I do this? I don't know if I did, but I did now. Okay, it's starting to calm down. Starting to calm down. The things I do for you little shits. Have I let out a breath, then waft it back into your face? I wouldn't recommend it. Man, I wouldn't recommend doing that to myself on a normal day. Oh, my belly hurts.
I bet it's gonna be even worse coming out.
But that happened yesterday.
Hmm?
How was the ice cream Sammy? Honestly, the ice cream Sammy is doing a lot of work. It's doing a lot of delicious work. How's your ice cream Sammy? Is it helping?
Yeah. Oh.
Yes, I've seen Monsters, Inc. Great set of movies. Did I get 2? 1 for you? Nope.
Nope, I took the other one.
Oh, the, yeah. Stars eating it in your absence.
Yep. I'm helping. Absolutely fine.
The chips look like the secretary lady. Always watching you without the... Always watch. The 2 eyes and the frown. Yeah, I can see it.
Always watching. Always watching. You should have those redeemed. It's been funny.
Oh.
For no reason.
Ah, no. Still can't breathe out.
Just stop breathing out. Just stop breathing, actually. That's the easiest way. You're a slime. You don't need
I
it.
can cosplay as Mike, actually. You're right, I could.
It's true, actually.
Yeah.
It'd be pretty funny. Just stick some arms and legs on you. You think you're capable of pouring your own milk now?
Thanks, Sarah. I appreciate an ice cream Sammy doesn't go uneaten. Yep, there you go.
Not with me around, it won't.
So the next stage of the challenge would be to ground the chip into a fine powder and sniff it. Do not. Even as a joke, do not.
That will fuck up your nose so bad. Not just pain-wise, but like...
That would just straight up fuck you up, period.
Yeah. You can end up with scabs in your nose from that shit. Just from how irritating it is, it would make you have issues, inflammation and stuff.
No.
You need to put the milk in your mouth for a bit.
I'm trying.
No, you're not. You're just chugging it. You need to slow down. Hold it there. I can talk in his absence so that he can hold his mouth closed for a few. So how's everyone doing? Close your mouth.
Nah. Nah.
Where's the milk? You already finished, didn't you?
Yeah.
I knew you couldn't hold that in your mouth.
Nope.
You impatient little shit.
Yeah. Why do you think I couldn't get over it?
Doesn't want to suffer and then makes himself suffer by swallowing the milk. Just hold it in your mouth. Don't swallow.
At least I can pour my own now.
Yeah, I can go sit down.
So I was like, yay, I don't have to babysit him anymore. Oh my god.
That was painful to listen to. And it sounded painful to do.
Actually, it was very satisfying. Get out from under the desk, you. You can't fit under the desk. You can't fit. You can't fit. I will bonk you with the spicy chips. Oh, dang. We did it, guys. Okay. So, afterthought of it, like... Next 20 minutes you watch YouTube clips of other people who did the challenge. We could. Ah, what's this? Oh, right. Thank you all. We could, but I don't think we will. Oh, I forgot to change the my little sign there. It's fine. There, what I can do is I can do this now, and I can edit it in the final cut. Oh, Jeebus. It fits the theme. Yeah, that's true. We could do that. But, so... actual final thoughts about the one chip. So, it doesn't taste good. Like, it doesn't taste like anything. They made it just, like, a simple tortilla chip with no flavoring whatsoever. And the spice was not instant, but it wasn't slow either. It picked up pretty quick, and then it hit a peak. And the peak wasn't bad. No, there's no taste priority in this one. It's just, okay, we know what people want when they eat this chip. We're just going to give them that, and we're not going to give them anything fancy with it. But the height of the spice wasn't the problem. It was the length of that height, because it sustained that heat level for the entire duration. The whole duration. And if I was doing this by myself, for instance, it probably wouldn't be anywhere near as bad, because I would just be... You might feel it later, not gonna lie. Oh yeah, no, probably. I'm probably gonna be feeling this pain for the next little while, because, hell, even right now, like, what, 30 minutes later? My breath still hurts. It hurts to breathe. Not like to breathe inwards or anything like that, but it actually, like, hurts the inside of my mouth to breathe. Ugh. Oh, jeez. Huh. Blah. Good morning. Hi, Folly. You missed all the fun. We did getting over it, and we did the one chip challenge. Poor suffering slime. Hi, Wakey. Whew. Oh, man. Any clean, fresh snow? That doesn't exist. What was the phrase again? Life is pain? Or was it pain is life? Both. You were playing Magic with your new roommate? Nice. What's your deck? Imagine you hit that peak and have to have that peak stay for 7 to 10 minutes. Smart move for getting the milk early. Yeah. I wanted to go last as long as I could without, instantly trying to kill it, but it was like, At this point, I'm a minute and a bit in. I'm good. I'm good on that. I'm good on this. I'm just going to kill it. Kill it as fast as possible. I'm probably not, I probably wasn't nearly, I know damn well I was not as entertaining as Mark was when he did did these challenges. But you know what? I'm not a character actor like that. Nice. Eat more, I dare you. I can't. One of those chips is $20. Okay? One of those chips was $20. A singular chip. The average bag of chips holds 150. Yeah. An average bag of chips that holds 150 costs about $5. This one chip One singular chip was 20. Yep. What? Hey, did you enjoy that? Was it funny? Well, come and check it out live over on twitch.tv/freeform_art. Make sure you put the _art. We have lots of fun there. We enjoy ourselves and we want to see you over there. So come on and hang out. See you in a bit.